Hey you guys, I'm going to show you how I do my infused rosemary oil. So if you're interested in this, just keep watching. We're going to jump right into this. I am going to use a cup and a half of olive oil and 3 spoons of dry rosemary. This is just really simple, really quick, easy video. I just put these ingredients on top of the stove and let them simmer together for about 15 minutes on low heat. And I let this sit for about an hour to 2 hours on the stove with the heat off, and about every 20 minutes I'll go and just warm up the mixture just to kind of get the dry rosemary with more of the oil in it. You guys, your house is going to smell so beautiful when you do this. So if you don't like the smell of rosemary, I would highly suggest you not cook it this way, because my entire house had the fragrance of rosemary. So I don't allow this mixture to bubble or boil. You guys see how it's just barely kind of having little heat bubbles at the bottom. If your mixture is starting to bubble or boil, you're not making fried chicken, so you don't want to fry your dry rosemary. After about like the 2-hour mark, I take a strainer and I will strain my rosemary and the oil. You guys, as you can see, there are a couple little black spots in there, and that's because some of them kind of started to char at the bottom. So just keep moving the mixture around so you don't get the charring. But you guys, this is what I put on my hair for the first month of my braids, and I showed you guys a couple of videos. I will leave those videos down in the description box so that you guys can see how I use this mixture. But this is an end result, you guys. It's literally that easy. It smells good. Rosemary oil is supposed to help promote hair growth. And I was thinking, why go to the store and buy such a small little container of rosemary oil, and I can pretty much make it myself. So you guys, this gave me a cup and a half of rosemary oil, and my hair was really moisturized, hydrated, and I love it. Hope you guys try this and love it too. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.